this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to open FBS CENT account. So guys, go to Google and search for FBS CENT and then click the first result. This is the first result to open CENT account. You will see this page. Click redirect me. After that, friends, when you click redirect me, you see this page. Click open account. If you want to open account, demo or normal, click open account. And then, friends, all you have to do, write your email address. From here, this section, write your full name. Guys, I want to write full name. And after that, write your email address. From here, click register option. And then, guys, you should be write a password. Make sure write a good and strong password, as you can see here, from here. And then click registration option. After that, guys, friends, you will see this page. You will get a verification to this email. Just wait, I want to confirm my email from here. And then, guys, you will see this page. Click proceed and then write your all details here, such your information, such your birthday date, and then, for example, this one, when you write all birthday data, click continue. And then you will account successfully opened without any problems. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share in this video. From here you can start verification your account. You can start get verified. After complete verification steps, you will be can withdraw and deposit without any problem. You can verify with passport or with your ID. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on another video soon.